In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to share a space in ClickUp. By the end, you'll know exactly where to go, what to click, and how to make sure the right people get access to the right space, all without exposing anything you don't intend to share. Before we start, make sure you're signed into the correct ClickUp workspace and that you have the space you want to share already created. Sharing controls are permission-based, so you may need space or workspace admin rights to access everything we're about to use. Begin by opening your space and heading to its overview. In the left sidebar, select the team space you're working with, then choose Overview within that space. If you're part of multiple workspaces, confirm you're looking at the space inside the workspace where you actually want to grant access. The overview gives you a central place to manage high-level settings, including who can see and work in that space. Once you're on the overview, locate sharing and permissions. You'll typically find this near the top right area of the space or in the space's settings panel. Open it to view who currently has access. This panel is where you'll manage visibility, members, guests, and any permission tiers your plan supports. Next, select Invite. This opens the invite window where you can add people to the space. Think of this as your dedicated place to bring collaborators in, whether they're already part of your workspace or completely new. If your plan allows, you can invite by email or pick from existing members to streamline the process. Now choose the email of the person you want to share the space with. If you see a suggested list, click the correct email from that list. If not, type the email carefully and select it when it appears. This helps prevent accidentally inviting the wrong person, especially if you work with a large team. Confirm the email selection so it's added to the invite list. If your plan includes permission options, make sure the level of access matches what they need, such as view only or the ability to edit. Keeping access as minimal as necessary is a smart way to protect your workflows and data. When you're done, head back to My Workspace to verify that the space shows the updated sharing. A quick glance at the sharing and permissions area is a good final check. If you ever need to change or remove access, return to the same sharing and permissions panel and adjust as needed. That's it. You've shared a space in ClickUp, keeping your team aligned and your work organized.